Being a J1 student in Myrtle Beach is one of the most thrilling experiences you can have. You'll meet amazing people, explore a new country, work, travel, eat, make friends, and what better way to spend your summer than at the beach? But while the fun is endless, there are some dangers you really want to avoid. My name is Beachmonkey. I'm a traveler, photographer, and surfer. I run a production studio called Beachmonkey's Creative Studio here in Myrtle Beach. I've seen it all over the years, and I really want to help you avoid the dangers and make most of the time while you're staying here. Before you even set foot in the US, be aware of housing scams. In the summertime, there is a severe shortage of housing, and scammers will take advantage of this. Scammers steal photos from Airbnb, Zillow, and other things and post them on Telegram, Facebook, or other social sites. If the deal sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Verify landlords through Facebook groups or ask. Make sure they're legit. Someone recently just lost a $4,000 deposit from some scammer that took photos from Airbnb and posted them on Zillow. We're trying to work with the banks and everything to get the money back, but they're probably out of luck. $4,000 is a lot of money to lose. Many of you will be looking for a second job, which is a great opportunity to make some more money. Be wary of scams, especially work from home, multi-level marketing, or any job promising easy money. They'll either take cash or waste your time. Research the company thoroughly before committing. If you're unsure, again, ask someone. A lot of places you can just kind of walk around and apply in person. That's usually the best way to find jobs, or just keep watching Facebook. And then the moderators will let you know if, hey, this is a legitimate job or it's not. On the subject of jobs, 99% of the employers in Myrtle Beach are amazing. They treat their employees very well. They pay well. You'll have an amazing time working there. You'll make some great friends. However, know your rights. If your boss refuses you breaks, overworks you, or doesn't pay you, it's illegal. If you face abuse or sexual harassment, report it. A person I know a few years ago worked for a large chain restaurant. He worked as a dishwasher, worked 14 hours a day, 7 days a week. He was refused lunch breaks. The manager would yell at him when he requested a bathroom break. That's completely illegal. There should be a little poster posted up somewhere in the back room of your workspace where it lists all your employee rights. And another thing, before you leave the US, make sure your employer has the address at home, your home country, where you can get your W-2 tax papers. The taxes you pay into the system, some of the money you can get back. And you want to make sure that they have the correct address so you can file your taxes. What Myrtle Beach lacks in art and culture, it makes up for in shady people. All you women out there, watch out for the aggressive creeps who will promise you everything, but you'll end up with a zero. Some guys are just looking for a summer fling, and if you're into that, it's amazing. However, some have more dangerous intentions. If you're going out, watch your drink. Go out with friends. If some guy buys you a drink, make sure you see the bartender make it and hand it right to you. Never jump into a stranger's car, especially after a night out. Human trafficking is real, so always think twice before accepting a ride. Like any major city with a large tourist population, crime does exist. Make sure you lock your doors, your bikes, and your scooters. If you're walking at night, stick to groups. At least bring a buddy with you. If someone offers you a ride randomly on the street, absolutely do not get in that car. Walk away. And while you won't see gunfights in the street like the movies portray, theft is common. If you leave something out, it will get stolen. Just make sure you have situation awareness around you at all times. Another thing, Myrtle Beach is closer to the equator than many of you are used to, which means the sun here is very intense. If you don't wear sunblock, you will burn badly. Lifeguards and beach service workers especially important for you. Make sure you put sunblock on the tops of your feet. Everybody always misses that for some reason, and they will get severely burned. I was an ocean lifeguard for 10 years, and every year, one rookie would burn their feet so bad they had to be out of the work for a few days. Also, when you're swimming, watch out for rip currents. If you don't know what a rip current is, do some research on it. But in a nutshell, if you get caught in one, swim parallel to the beach, then swim in. Always swim near a lifeguard during their hours. As the summer ends, many of you will want to travel. There are some great student travel companies, but also, just like housing and jobs, a boatload of scams. Research any travel agency before booking and make sure you're going with good people to safe places. You don't want to get ripped off or injured or, again, human trafficked. Do your research. Myrtle Beach is hot and humid. It's built on an old swamp, which means it's home to huge flying cockroach style bugs called palmetto bugs. No matter how much you spray, they somehow will manage to get into your house. Now, it doesn't mean your house is dirty. They just figure out ways to get in. If they have regular maintenance and spraying, they don't last too long. But rest assured, you will have one in your house at any moment. Don't freak out, just kill it and throw it away. Since also we're so close to the ocean, it's extremely humid. That means that cereal, pasta, bread mold up way quicker than anywhere else you've seen. What I do is I take mine and I put it in the freezer until I'm ready to eat it. And speaking on food, lastly, you'll discover some amazing new foods in the United States. Different flavors of candies and cookies and chips and a lot of processed food. Try some, but in moderation. Explore your food options, but like I said, in moderation. Our food, especially the processed stuff you buy in grocery stores, is highly addictive, high in sugar, packed with calories. It's easy to grab fast food when you're busy working, but if you're not careful, you'll gain a lot of weight by the time you come home. Try new foods, but in moderation. I knew a guy about 4 or 5 years ago, moved to the United States. He wore about a medium. By the time he left, he should have been wearing an extra, extra large, but he never bought new clothing. So his clothing was super tight. His belly was sticking out. He could barely move his arms and legs in his clothing. I think when he got back to his home country, I think he said it took him about 6 months to a year to lose the weight. Your J1 summer here in Myrtle Beach can be the best time of your life, but stay smart and stay safe. Have situation awareness of what's going on around you. Have fun, meet new friends, work hard, and most importantly, look out for yourself and your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Mahalo.